Okay, so in this video, we're going to build our stats, which kind of looks like this, but we're going to build it for real, and I'm going to show kind of like the final steps of it in Photoshop. So this is what it's going to look like when it's all said and done. And so basically just a little bit of what's happened so far to date. So we've got a bunch of stuff over here on the right hand side. All of these things are just designed in Photoshop, so they're all just different layers, right? So we got a little texture over there, we got our purple, we got our blues, we got our team logos, team logo, background, and then we've got all of these boxes and names, which is where things are. And those will all be able to be edited. So right now what I'm just going through is just basically naming all of these little gray boxes so I can see them. So this one is Viz right. And what are you? You're CS left. What are you? DPM left. And you are ELAMs left. And you are, what were you? Viz left. And that leaves you as aces left. All right, so we start at the top. So let's put our limbs at the top. And then DPM. And then we got our CS. We got our Viz. Aces, Drakes, Barons. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to want to do is, yes, I'm going to do this here. So here I'm going to put the actual text. It's kind of a dangerous game, but we'll see. So this is going to be 0. So that looks like too small. Yeah. 30. 0. 48. All right. And we'll fix it in the other one. So this is elim right. And then we will just make it again over here. This is elim L. And then we are going to bring it down. So this is DPM R and DPM L. See a pattern? CSL. CSR. Viz R. Viz L. Oops. What's next? Aces. Aces L. Aces R. Drake R. Drake L. Whoops. Bar L. Whoops. Bar R. Oops. All right. So there they go. There they all are. We can, once we get into what's it called, GT title editor, we will 8-bit RGB. Okie dokie. Save it. Head over here. And when we pick it up, we will be in GT title editor. All right, we're gonna try something new. CapCut, Clipchamp, they ain't working. So we're just gonna record straight in vMix. Hey! All right, so we did our statsy stats stuff, and we're gonna move on over to GT title editor. Let's go ahead and bring in the BSD. Head to head. Couldn't remember what it was called for a second there. Waiting for it to load. Oh, okay. Hey, look at that. All right, so right now, oh man, you know what I could do? I could bring myself in. That'd be fun. Let's change overlay 4 to a little picture-in-picture. That's exciting. Look, I'm gonna come and hang out. What's up? Alright, so here we are. We're gonna edit all these things and link them up, sync them up. You might see this looks crazy over here. That's because all of these things were named lim 2, liml. So the ones that are named 1 are the text. And so we're just gonna go through here and we're going to see if we can multi-select all these and do this. Nope. That would have been cool. There's always a limitation. All right, so we're just going down the line. We're making these relatively sort of centered. Click, click, click. Very exciting. Click, 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 click. So we have now aligned all those things so they look a little bit better than they did, which is great. And then we will change this. Actually, team name's fine. I'm gonna make it like that and extend this bar a little bit just in case anyone has a crazy name. And this name's gonna be over there. All right, and because it's always fun to add animations, we're gonna do that. So when this comes in, we're gonna make it do some pretty, I'm gonna see if I actually want to do this, but we'll see. So what we want to do is we want to animate to where when this comes in for the first time, a bunch of like stuff happens, right? So our team name, let's think about how we want to do this first. So we can have our team names fly in from the side. Can I remember if fly actually, okay, good, it did the thing. All right, it's kind of fun. That's a little too fast. All right, so that one's 0.75, and then we're gonna have this one fly in from the other side at 0.75, and we're gonna ease it on out. That's pretty cool. And then we're just gonna go down this line, and this I'm gonna see if I can can I multi-animate? Let's find out. Fade. Yes. Okay. That I can do, which is great. So we're gonna, those two are gonna go right at the beginning, right? They're gonna fade in. And then these two are gonna come in, but like 0.1 later. And then these two are gonna come in like 0.2 later. So let's go. Oh man, maybe these are a little too slow. Let's make them all 0.5. All right, where did we end up? We ended up here. We did those. All right, let's see a little faster. Okay, that's kind of cool. Yep. All right, we're gonna do these. So our duration is 0.5. Our delay is 0.3. Yep, we got ourselves a little ladder going on here. 0.4. 0.5. It feels like something weird's going on here. Oh, nope. Accelerate. Fade. 0.5. 0.5. Oh yeah, looking cool. Looking super cool. Delay 0.6. Duration 0.5. All right, so now we have our, I mean, look at that. That's pretty fun. We probably maybe should have done these at the same time. Let's find out if we care about that. Barons. What are you? Text. What are you? Rectangles. Please be in order. 10. Order enough. Oh. Stat bar. There we go. Let's change that. Baron box. So we could, I didn't think about this. We could go, oh, that would be kind of neat. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. So we know, oh, this is gonna be so cool. And we're actually going to reveal this up. Let's see what that looks like. It's kind of neat. Let's see. Reveal up 0.6, 0.25. Oops. 0.7. 0.8. No, make them fade. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Hi. All right, fade 0.8, duration 0.25. Fade 0.9, duration 0.25. See a pattern? Man, that's gonna be neat. It's gonna be cool. 0.9, 0.25. Is that 0.9, 0.9? Oop. 1.1, 0.25. And our last but not least are limbs. Duration, whoops, 1.2. Yep, 1.2, 0.25. It's kind of fun. Yeah, you know, whatever. All right, so then, We will then do our numbers. We're gonna make these all fade in at the same time. .3. It's kind of fun. And then let's make these things do something cool. Let's just see what happens if they all reveal down 1.3. Baloney. Yeah, it's cool. I don't know. I kind of hate it, but start at the top, work our way down. 2. Uh-oh. There we go. 1.3, 1.3. All right, we'll give it a little bit of time between. So it'll be like a little ladder. I think it just did 0.5. I did. All right, now let's see what happens. That's pretty fun. That's pretty cool. All right, and then let's take a look at our team logos. So, these can reveal. Oh, it'll zoom fade. I don't want to reverse it. Sure. Yeah, I like the out. All right. Okay, I mean, whatever. It's nice for now. So let's save it to the old titles. Let's go head to head. Deodal. Head to head title. And you know what that means? Next, we're going to bring it in old vMix. So, whoa. What happens if I do this? Oh, it's just me. Oh, I'm in here like 4,000 times. Let's get rid of that. All right, so here's our vMix. Hey, what's up? And then we're just gonna bring it in. So we just go over to titles, recent, head-to-head title, bingo bango. And there it is. It's pretty cool. We go back. Not quite done yet because we need to actually build the build this in our sheet. So let's get our sheet going. So next thing we're gonna do is pull in our data. Add our new sheet here, which is just going to be called stats. And the trick to this, let's go tricks, couple tricks. Trick is that what can you even see? Oh, you can see that. Let's do it this way. Go back to the desktop. Okay. So we have our title here, editor here, we have our sheet here. I'm gonna come back and play. Hey. And so what we kind of need to do is kind of rebuild this in a way that it reflects in our sheet. So we're going to go team name A, and then we're going to go down a line, and this is going to say 0, 0. This is going to say elim. This is going to say 0, 0. Do you see a pattern? DPM 0. CS. Just kidding. CS 0. 0. This 0. 0. Aces 0. Back 0. Drakes 0. 0. Barons 0. Okay. And then we need team B. All right, so what this does is it looks exactly like this sheet. So if someone was to come in and manipulate it, they would be able to see it, and it would look exactly the way it's supposed to, the way it looks over here. So that means we got to go into our editor, select our data, manage our data. Go to stats. Look at that. That's our table. Table's already in there. That's our sheet, excuse me. Our sheet is here, and this is our stats. So look at that. We've already got it. It's locked in. It's loaded, which is great. It's already pulling it in, which means that we should be able to see data here, go to stats here, and we are now team name right, which is A, which is team name A. Which is great. Look at that. I already changed it. Amazing. Oh, it tried to get smart, and it is not smart. All right, we're going to try again. Column A, row 1. That was very interesting. Okay, let's see what else goes on. Oh, team name right. Wow, I'm a fool. All right, column. What column are we in? We're in E, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are down in 9. All right, look at that. Now we're in the right zone. See how here it says? Oh, you can't see that. We'll show you in a second. Team name left, data source, data, stats, column 1, row 1, team name A, L1, L bar stats, L1 is 2, column 2, row 2, and it should change to 0. See, that's how we know it's working. Now, if we really wanted to be smart, we would do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this way, we can really see if we're getting it right. All right, so we got 1 data source. Let's pull this thing up. Data, L-bar, stats, auto, wrong. 4, 3, 4, row, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Great. All right. Merge this over. Okay, so I'm editing these things, and look, it's coming in. It's looking good. It's doing its thing. So that's good. That's good. All right, so we're gonna go L1 and DPM L1 data stats 2 row 3 R1 data stats 4 3 4 DPM 4 CS data stats. If you're seeing a pattern, that's because there is one. 4 5 5. Amazing. It's very exciting. Whoops. Whoops, double whoops, triple whoops. Alright, so we got that right. Viz is number 5. Data stats auto 257. Stats auto 4 7 12. What did I just do? I feel like I jumped ahead. Column 4 row. I did. I jumped way far ahead. We're still on Viz. Aces. Data. Stats. Column 2. Number 6. 9. Data. Stats. Where am I? Right one. Aces. 4. Aces is 6. That's a 10. Drakes. Stats. Column 4. 9. 7. Where am I? Drake. 7. Nice. And we're almost done. That was weird. Drakes have now moved to the right side. I wonder if I got that right. How to find out? Data, stats, column 2, row 8. Where are we? We're still in Drake's. No, row 7. Hold your horses there, buddy. Baron right, data, stats 4, 8, 14. And Baron stats 2, 8, 13. Okay, that's it. Those are our numbers. So let's go ahead and shift over to our stats page and look at that. So you can't really see, but I'm going to change some numbers in the sheet and we're going to hope that it changes. Look at that, 11. They had 11 eliminations. They had 55 damage per minute. Good job, you. And this is actually awesome squad. And I hit enter. And awesome. Oh, geez. Look at that. We got a little bit of a problem here. So this is good. We can now go into the title editor. And I'm just going to change this font size real quick so it looks a little better. Okay. Bringing us in. And team A. So there we go. Look at that. Not too bad. We just changed all our stats and now they're locked in, so I can give this spreadsheet to anybody and they can edit these stats before a match has ever happened, and we're done. See ya.